India has added 709 new species to the flora and fauna database. And if you want to know about this in detail, come read with me. So India's biodiversity has just got even richer. According to the 2025 records, Zoological Survey of India (ZSI) and Botanical Survey of India (BSI), the country added 700 new species to its biodiversity database, in which 483 are new animal species and 226 are new plant taxa species. Now this highlights India's status as one of the world's 17 mega diverse countries and making biodiversity conservation a key topic for UPSC examination. Now, let's talk about the background first. India has a wide variety of ecosystems, from the Himalayas and deserts to rainforests, mangroves and coral reefs. Because of this, scientists regularly discover species that were previously unknown to the science. Now, every new discovery improves our understanding of nature and helps in the conservation planning. Now, what are the key findings? Let's talk about that. See, in 2025, India recorded 483 new animal species and 226 new plant taxa, taking to the total of the new additions to 709. Now, Kerala recorded the highest number of animal species, which is 98, then followed by West Bengal, which is 76, then followed by Karnataka, 67. Arunachal Pradesh also emerged as a leader in new plant discoveries with 49 plant taxa, followed by Uttarakhand, 39 plant taxa, and then Kerala, 37. Now, India's total recorded faunal diversity has now crossed 1.5 lakh species. Okay, so among the important discoveries were a new Himalayan bat species, you can see the picture here, new frogs, snakes, insects, fishes, orchids and medicinal plants as well. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this topic. First is the environmental dimension. New species help maintain ecological balance and improve ecosystem resilience. Then there's a scientific dimension. They expand knowledge about evolution, genetics and biodiversity. Then there's an economic dimension. Many newly discovered plants and microbes may have medicinal, agricultural and industrial value. Lastly, there's a conservation dimension. Identifying species helps government protect fragile habitats before they are lost due to climate change or human activities. This becomes highly relevant for GS Paper 3 Environment and Biodiversity perspective. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.